Yeah, hi guys, Anil here. Let's start the today's topic that is Fibonacci series, right? So, how to solve Fibonacci series using Java programming? We'll see today's topic. So, here to start with the program, let me create one class. That would be useful to write the program, right? Here, give me the class name as Fibonacci. You can give anything you want, and here take me this main method as well, right? So yeah, before that writing any program, let me show you what would be type of questions and what is Fibonacci series, right? The question will be like this only: find the Fibonacci series of first 5 numbers. Yeah, find the Fibonacci series of first 10 numbers, right? The question will be asked like this. So how means what would be the input here? Our input will be like starts from the one and the end will be 5, because the I need the Fibonacci for first 5 numbers, right? So the input will be 1 2 3 4 till 5, right? So once if we'll give this input, what would be the output? Means what would be the Fibonacci series of this fifth sorry, of this first 5 numbers, right? So what would be the output? Means what would be the Fibonacci series? The Fibonacci series will start from 0, then 1, then 1, again 2, because the Fibonacci series is nothing but the addition of two previous number is the next number, right? So here is the Fibonacci series will come, right? So I told you, right, the addition of two previous number is the next number. 0 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 equal to 2, then 1 plus 2 equal to 3, then 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, then 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, then 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 13 is the last number in the Fibonacci series, right? So this would be the output we'll get. Let's do it using Java. Let me create one static method where we will write our program. Public static void, let me give this name as Fibo. You can give anything, the name of this method, and let me take two variables here. Int a equal to let's start from the 0, because our series will start from the 0. Int b is equal to 1, right? Once we have taken these two variable, let me print these two variables first. System, yeah, a, then let me give one space here, then let me print the b value, right? So this println method will print first two digit. Here I remove ln because I don't want to go to the next line, so in the same line I want to print it, right? Now take me one for loop to loop over for this argument value whatever will pass from the main method. This x, suppose x is till 5th, x is here x is 5, right? So I took this main method, and okay, after that before doing anything in the main method, let me print the c value as well. Let me calculate the c value. Int c equal to a plus b, right? So I told you the addition of two previous number is the next number, that's why c is equal to a plus b. Now let me print this c value as well, right? Let me give one more space also here, so every time c will change as per the loop. Here once I print the c value, let me assign the a and b value again here. Now what will be the a value? A will be b and b will be c, right? Now the c value will be a plus b, right? Let me write that c is equal to a plus b, right? Yeah, c will be a plus b. Now I need to call this method to check the output, right? Fibonacci dot Fibo, yeah. Here let me pass the argument as 5 and run this method to see the output of this program. Yeah, 0 1, not 11, that is 1, again 1, one space is missing. Where? Here after b I should give one space so that you can easily observe the output, right? Let me rerun this program once again. Yeah, now the output, see, 0 1 1 2 3 5 8, right? So means the addition of previous two numbers is the next number that I told you in the in first I told you, right? Fibonacci series is nothing but the addition of first two digit is the next number. So till 13 is our Fibonacci series. That's all about Fibonacci things. That's all about Fibonacci series, and thank you very much for watching this video.